Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, where we sail through everything that moves on water, from mega yachts to ferries to sleek water taxis. And today we're taking a ride through something that's transforming Mumbai's waterfront: Commute, the Mumbai Water Taxi service. Now picture this: you're in Mumbai, the financial capital of India, known for its bustling streets and jam-packed roads. What if instead of crawling through traffic, you could glide across the Arabian Sea, surrounded by the skyline and fresh ocean breeze? That's exactly what the Mumbai Water Taxi is offering, and today we're diving deep into how it works, what it looks like, how it performs, and what sets it apart in the world of urban maritime transport. The Mumbai Water Taxi service is not just another form of commute, it's an innovation that represents a shift in how India is thinking about its coastal infrastructure, designed to decongest the notoriously overloaded roads of Mumbai. This initiative aims to provide fast, scenic, and relatively luxurious travel options across key points in the city and its surrounding regions. Let's talk about the design. The water taxis used in this service are primarily catamarans and monohull speedboats. These boats are specifically chosen for their stability, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort. The catamarans in particular offer wider deck space and better resistance to choppy waters, which is crucial during monsoon seasons in Mumbai. The sleek hydrodynamic shape of the hulls allows these boats to cut through water smoothly, reducing drag and improving fuel economy. Each boat in the fleet has a striking visual design with clean lines, bold branding, and practical color schemes that make them stand out in the harbor. The exteriors often include reflective decals and safety markings, as well as high visibility lights for operations during early morning or evening hours. From a distance they look modern, compact, and ready for business, but it's when you step on board that you really start to appreciate the thought that's gone into their construction. Now stepping inside the water taxis, the interior feels more like a business-class lounge than a commuter. Ferry seating is plush with cushioned leather or leatherette seats arranged in rows with enough legroom to make a 30-minute journey feel like a breeze. Many of the vessels are air-conditioned, providing relief from Mumbai's humid climate, and tinted panoramic windows let passengers enjoy the skyline without being roasted by the sun. Some of the high-end models even offer USB charging ports, Wi-Fi, digital ticketing systems, and onboard entertainment screens. You'll find emergency kits, fire extinguishers, and clearly marked exits to meet all maritime safety norms. Most of the boats can accommodate between 10 to 50 passengers, depending on the size and type of the craft. This variety ensures that the fleet is scalable and flexible for both low and high demand times. Moving on to the performance aspects, the water taxis are powered by high-speed diesel engines, typically from renowned marine engine manufacturers like Yamaha, Suzuki, and Volvo Penta. The cruising speed of most vessels ranges from 20 to 25 knots, which translates to about 37 to 46 kilometers per hour. That may not sound like much compared to road vehicles, but on water that's a respectable speed, especially considering the reduced friction in straight-line travel paths. These engines are built for reliability and smooth operation, with reduced vibration and noise, which means the overall ride quality remains pleasant even at higher speeds. Fuel consumption is optimized thanks to smart hull design and lightweight materials like marine-grade aluminum and fiberglass composites. This not only makes the boats lighter and faster, but also more resistant to saltwater corrosion, ensuring a longer service life and reduced maintenance costs. Handling is another area where these boats shine. Catamarans in particular have dual hull configurations which offer more stability in rough seas, allowing for smoother turns and better balance during sudden maneuvers. The advanced steering systems are electronically assisted, making it easier for the crew to handle the boat, especially when docking or navigating tight waterways. What really makes the Mumbai Water Taxi unique is the strategic network it operates within. Currently, the routes connect key points like Belapur, Vashi, Nerul, and JNPT in Navi Mumbai with the domestic cruise terminal and Gateway of India in South Mumbai. There are also future plans to extend service to Thane, Kalyan, and even places like Mandwa and Alibag. These routes not only serve daily commuters but also offer a quick escape for weekend travelers looking to bypass the road chaos. Compared to traditional ferries, which are slower and often lack comfort features, the water taxi offers a faster, more stylish, and more private alternative. You're not just paying for speed, you're paying for a different commuting experience, one that turns a stressful road journey into a peaceful maritime ride. The pricing structure for the Mumbai Water Taxi is designed to reflect this premium positioning. While it's costlier than local trains or buses, it's more affordable than you might think when you factor in time saved and comfort gained. Ticket prices start from around 800 rupees and go up to 1200 or more depending on the route, distance, and time of day. Corporate packages, tourist charters, and group bookings are also available, offering further value for frequent travelers. One of the most exciting selling points is sustainability. Many of the operators in the Mumbai Water Taxi ecosystem are actively looking into electric and hybrid engine upgrades, solar panel integrations, and carbon offset programs are also being considered for long-term viability. If implemented, this would make Mumbai one of the first cities in India to run a partially green urban water transport service. From a logistical standpoint, the water taxis offer a huge advantage in terms of reducing traffic congestion on Mumbai's arterial roads during peak hours, when road traffic can mean a commute time of 2 hours or more. The same trip via water taxi might take just 25 to 30 minutes, and it's not just about time, it's also about mental peace. You're skipping the honking, the pollution, and the unpredictable roadblocks. Another unique feature is the emphasis on safety. Each boat is equipped with life jackets, emergency flotation devices, marine radios, GPS tracking, and real-time communication systems with port authorities. In addition, trained crew members undergo rigorous safety drills and first aid training. This makes the service not only efficient but also dependable in terms of passenger safety. The boarding experience is also relatively seamless with modern jetties and floating pontoons. Passengers can board and disembark safely without having to climb awkward steps or wait endlessly for clearance. Digital ticketing and real-time scheduling apps allow users to book their ride, track arrival times, and even get delay notifications, much like an airport system. In terms of scalability, the Mumbai Water Taxi model is highly expandable. More boats can be added, more routes can be opened, and demand-based dynamic pricing can be implemented. With enough traction, it could serve as a model for other coastal cities like Chennai, Kochi, or even Goa, where similar traffic and tourism needs exist. The government and private operators are working hand in hand on this project, which is a rarity in public transport innovation. The infrastructure funding, the maritime regulations, and even the terminal constructions are all being coordinated to deliver a unified experience. This level of cooperation ensures that the service is not only launched but maintained and improved upon consistently. And of course, the experience factor cannot be ignored. Imagine your daily commute turning into a mini vacation where you get to see dolphins once in a while, breathe in clean ocean air, and catch a perfect sunrise over the horizon. This turns the Mumbai Water Taxi into more than just a transport mode, it becomes part of your lifestyle. Tourists are also beginning to take notice. Some operators offer guided trips where you can hop aboard the same taxi vessels and enjoy a tour of Mumbai's shoreline, heritage forts, lighthouses, and even shipyards. This hybrid use case blurs the line between public transport and marine leisure, making it one of the most versatile offerings on the water today. In terms of competition, the Mumbai Water Taxi doesn't have much direct rivalry as of now. Traditional ferries are slower and road travel is often far more cumbersome. The only potential challenge could come from private carpool seaplanes or future metro rail links across the Trans Harbour Bridge, but for now the water taxi enjoys a niche premium segment that values speed, experience, and reliability. This also opens the door for luxury options in the future. We could see business-class water taxis with catering services, lounge seating, and concierge features. All of this paints a picture of what future urban commuting could look like if we simply reimagine our waterways as highways. So if you're in Mumbai or planning to visit and want to experience a new way to travel that's fast, safe, scenic, and forward-thinking, give the water taxi a try. It's not just a ride, it's a revolution on water. That wraps up today's deep dive on the Mumbai Water Taxi right here on Sir Boats Yacht. If you liked this voyage through innovation, hit that like button, subscribe for more watercraft wonders, and leave a comment below. Have you tried the water taxi or planning to do so? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep it nautical.